Imagine a platform where you can earn money by utilizing your skills, no matter where you are in the world. Welcome to Upwork, a global marketplace for freelancers. This platform has revolutionized the way we work, offering an abundance of opportunities across a diverse range of fields. Whether you're a programmer, a writer, a graphic designer, or an accountant, there's a place for you on Upwork. The beauty of Upwork is its flexibility. It allows you to work from the comfort of your home, a beach in Bali, or a cafe in Paris, as long as you have a strong internet connection. The variety of job opportunities is vast, from one-off tasks to long-term projects, catering to both part-time and full-time freelancers. The potential to earn on Upwork is vast. It's not just about making money, it's about carving out a fulfilling and flexible career path. With the right approach and dedication, you can start making money too. To start earning on Upwork, you first need to set up a profile. Imagine your profile as your digital storefront on the platform. It's the first thing potential clients see when they're considering you for a project. Therefore, it's crucial to make it as professional and detailed as possible. The first step in setting up your profile is to choose a clear and professional profile picture. This isn't the time for your favorite vacation selfie. Think more along the lines of a LinkedIn profile picture. A clean, clear headshot with a neutral background works best. This photo is part of your first impression, so ensure it reflects your professionalism and competence. Next, you'll want to craft a compelling and concise overview. This is your opportunity to introduce yourself and your skills to potential clients. Think of it as your elevator pitch. You want to quickly and clearly communicate who you are, what you offer, and why you're the best choice. Be sure to highlight your relevant experience and expertise, and don't forget to include a touch of personality. After all, clients aren't just hiring a skill set, they're hiring a person. Now it's time to list your skills. Be specific and thorough here. If you're a graphic designer, don't just write graphic design. Break it down into the specific programs you're proficient in, the types of design you specialize in, and any particular industries you have experience with. The more specific you can get, the better. Last, but certainly not least, is your portfolio. This is where you'll showcase your past work. It's your chance to prove that you can deliver what you promise. Add as many relevant examples of your work as possible. Each item in your portfolio should demonstrate a certain skill or type of project you're capable of. Remember, your profile isn't set in stone. You can and should continually update and refine it as you gain more experience and skills. A well-crafted profile serves as your first impression, so make it count. Now that your profile is ready, it's time to find the right jobs. Let's start with the basics. Searching for jobs on Upwork is no different than searching for anything else online. You simply input your desired keywords into the search bar, and voila! You're presented with a list of potential gigs. But unlike looking for the best chocolate chip cookie recipe, searching for jobs on Upwork requires a bit more nuance. That's where filters come in. They're your best friends when it comes to narrowing down that overwhelming list of potential jobs. You can filter by job type, budget, client history, and more. It's like having a personal assistant who sifts through the noise and presents you with opportunities that are tailor-made for your skills and interests. But remember, not every job that meets your criteria is a golden opportunity. You have to be discerning. Read the job descriptions carefully. Understand what the client is looking for. Are they in need of a one-time project, or are they looking for a long-term relationship? Do they prefer someone with specific skills, or are they open to beginners? These are just some of the questions you need to ask yourself as you go through each job post. And let's not forget about client expectations. It's one thing to be able to do the job, but it's another thing to meet, or better yet, exceed the client's expectations. This means delivering high-quality work on time, communicating effectively, and being receptive to feedback. Remember, your success as a freelancer is not just about landing jobs, but about building relationships. Speaking of relationships, don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients. Ask questions about the job post. Show them that you're not just interested in the paycheck, but in the work itself. This will not only help you understand the job better, but also show the client that you're serious about your craft. Finding the right jobs is crucial, as it not only ensures your success, but also contributes to a satisfying freelancing experience. So, take the time to search, filter, read, understand, and communicate. And before you know it, you'll be well on your way to a thriving freelance career on Upwork. Once you've found the right job, the next step is to craft a winning proposal. This is your golden opportunity to set yourself apart from the competition, and it's crucial to get it right. Firstly, it's all about understanding the client's needs. Read the job description thoroughly and make sure you grasp exactly what the client is looking for. Can you deliver on their requirements? Are you the right fit for this project? If the answer is yes, then it's time to let the client know exactly why. Your proposal should be a showcase of your relevant skills and experience. This is not the time for modesty. Highlight your achievements, show off your track record, and demonstrate why you're the best person for the job. However, remember to keep it relevant. If you're applying for a graphic design job, the client probably doesn't need to know about your prowess in the kitchen. Now, it's time to propose a clear plan of action. This is where you get to show the client not just what you can do, but how you're going to do it. Outline your approach to the project step by step. This shows the client that you've thought about their project in depth, and it gives them a clear vision of what they can expect if they hire you. But remember, while it's important to sell yourself, your proposal should be more about the client than about you. Make sure you're addressing their needs, solving their problems, and providing value. Your proposal should make the client feel like you're on their side, ready to help them achieve their goals. Finally, keep in mind that crafting a winning proposal is not a one-size-fits-all process. Each job is unique, each client is unique, and your proposal should reflect that. Tailor your proposal to the specific job and client, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Your proposal is your ticket to getting hired, so invest time and effort into making it compelling. Getting hired is just the beginning. To continue earning on Upwork, you need to build a strong reputation. A sturdy reputation is the backbone of your success on Upwork. It's what sets you apart in a sea of freelancers, and it's what keeps clients coming back for more. But how exactly do you build this reputation? Let's break it down. Delivering quality work is your first step. This may seem like a given, but it's worth emphasizing. Quality is your currency on Upwork. It's what clients are paying for. So, always strive to exceed expectations. Go the extra mile. Be thorough, be professional, and most importantly, be reliable. Clients appreciate a freelancer who delivers on time and meets the brief. Next up, effective communication. This is key in any relationship, and your professional ones are no exception. Clear, concise, and timely communication can do wonders for your reputation. It shows clients that you're attentive and engaged. It helps avoid misunderstandings and keeps projects on track. So make it a habit to keep your clients in the loop. Update them regularly, ask questions when needed, and always be open to feedback. Speaking of feedback, don't shy away from it. Constructive criticism is a powerful tool for growth. It helps you understand what you're doing well and where you can improve. After each project, ask your clients for feedback. Listen, learn, and use it to refine your skills. Now let's talk about job success score and positive reviews. These are your proof of credibility. They're what potential clients look at before deciding to hire you. So, aim for a high job success score and positive reviews. Deliver quality work, communicate effectively, and handle feedback well. These actions will lead to satisfied clients who are more likely to leave positive reviews. Remember, building a strong reputation takes time and consistency. It's not a one-time effort, but an ongoing commitment to excellence. It's about showing up, doing your best, and continuously learning and improving. A strong reputation on Upwork can open doors to more opportunities and higher earnings. To wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key steps to start making money on Upwork. First off, you've got to set up a compelling profile. This is your digital storefront, so make it shine with your skills, experience, and personality. Next, it's all about finding the right jobs. Look for work that matches your skill set and interests. Be selective, as the right job can be a stepping stone to future opportunities. Then comes crafting a winning proposal. Remember, you're not just pitching your skills, but also your ability to solve the client's problem. Tailor each proposal to the specific job, showing them why you're the best fit. Last but not least, building a strong reputation is crucial. Deliver quality work, meet deadlines, and communicate effectively. Positive reviews and repeat clients can boost your visibility and credibility on the platform. Remember, success on Upwork is not about quick wins, but about consistently delivering quality work and building strong relationships with clients.